said, Savannah, the weather there is nice and warm. The climate's of a southern friend. But here's what I don't understand. They've got a gal there, a pretty gal there, who's colder than an Arctic storm. She's got a heart just like a stone. Even icemen let her alone. They call her hard-hearted Hannah, the vamp of Savannah, the meanest gal in town. Leather is tough, but Hannah's heart is tougher. She's a gal that loves to see 'em suffer, to tease 'em and thrill 'em, torture and kill 'em. That's her delight, they say. I saw her at the seashore with a great big pan. There was Hannah pouring water on a drowning man. Hard-hearted Hannah, the vamp of Savannah, G.A. The meanest gal in town. Talk of your cold, refrigerating mamas, brother, she's a polar bear's pajamas. To tease 'em and thrill 'em, torture and kill 'em, that's her delight, they say. An evening spent with Hannah sitting on your knees is like traveling through Alaska in your BVD. Hard-hearted Hannah, the vamp of Savannah, G.A. She's so cold you get pneumonia from her breath. She kissed an Eskimo and he was almost froze to